Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Digvijay,
And I'm Prapal Rajal.
and today we'll be discussing some of the common challenges faced by the aspiring writers. The first question, Pravalda, is how to choose a topic.
Wow, that's a very interesting question. For me, I think it would be to find something that I'm really passionate about, something I really like doing. Otherwise, I would not be able to finish writing it. So find something that interests you and then start writing about it.
Great tip there. And the second question is how to overcome the writer's block. That happens quite often. You know, it happened to me. I'm sure it happened to you too.
Yes, it does. So to overcome a writer's block, the first thing that you need to do is stop writing. Stop thinking about what it is that you want to write. Give yourself some time. Maybe change the environment. Go out. Go for a walk. Have some tea, coffee. Do something else, and then come back and see what it is that you left out and where you can continue from. If you don't do that, you are going to continue finding that your mind is completely blocked and you don't know what to write about.
That's true. So take a break, guys. That's the key. Now, if you have more questions in regards to how to come up with good articles or how to write a journal or how to write a book, you need some kind of tips and help, you can always mention that in the comment box below. And also you can log on to our website, which is Kala, the Art of Learning. It's a platform where we will be giving you tips and help you overcome the challenges. And
also, we have courses for creative writers and bloggers and anybody who wants to improve their writing. So make sure to click on that link below.
And subscribe to the channel. Guys, see you soon.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.